YouTube. Please, can someone help me with this mini GPS? It's not working. I don't know why. I try putting SIM card inside, but the light only comes on without going off. And even I try putting memory card inside, but still it's not showing any signs of working. So if someone can help me with the installation. Let's see. Even this is the phone. This is the phone. I try. Let's see. 000, and I send. I don't receive any message back or anything. It's just there like that, and the light is still on. It doesn't go off. If someone can help me with it, I'll be okay. Thank you very much.